I'll clean up my books at tax time. It's one of the most expensive lies you're going to tell yourself. Business owner opens their bank account. They have over 1,000 uncategorized transactions that need to be addressed. They can't even remember what half of them were. Was that for software? Is that a true expense? Was that insurance? Guessing is what leads to leaving thousands of dollars in deductions on the table, which means overpaying in taxes every single year. Today, I'll be showing you why we got to get out of that "I'll clean it up later" mindset, showing how that always fails and what you should be doing instead. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Andrew D'Amico. I'm a CPA, co-founder, and partner here at Ledgerly, alongside my good friend Mike Abrahamian. We've helped hundreds of business owners save on taxes, optimize their entity structure, and help them build a roadmap for generational wealth. By the end of this video, you'll understand why monthly bookkeeping isn't optional and how to set up a system that only takes 1 hour a month as opposed to 40 hours of scrambling during tax time. So do yourself a favor, hit subscribe for our weekly videos, and let's dive right in. So I alluded to it before. One of the biggest problems with cleaning it up at tax time is your memory is going to fail you. It's April 2026 and you're categorizing all 2025 transactions. You're likely not going to remember most of them. Example, you see it in your software, one transaction, it says Tech Solutions, $237. I mean, what the heck is that? Was that a software subscription? Was it equipment? Something for my website? Maybe a personal charge? You have no idea, so you just guess. Guessing is bad. So let's say, running with that example, it was actually a personal expense, but because you forgot, you just assumed it was software. So now you just deducted that something was personal. You just increased your audit risk. Or on the flip side, maybe you're a bit more conservative. You're like, you know what, I can't remember it. Let me just treat it as personal. And it turned out it was a legitimate business expense. You just missed out on $237 deduction. And that's just one example. If you have 1,000 transactions, this is going to happen with probably half of them. Another problem with just doing it once a year, your bookkeeping, is the cost of guessing. Let's say you made $100,000 in income. Great, that's fantastic. But you didn't do any expense categorization, and now it's April. So you end up only claiming $30,000 in expenses. That means your taxable profit is going to be $70,000. Again, depending on filing status, entity structure, yada, yada. But assume you owe $25,000 in taxes. Now, on the flip side, let's say you did do your monthly bookkeeping. You were keeping track of receipts. You took all the deductions you knew you were entitled for. You generated $45,000 in expenses. And now that taxable profit, $55,000. And now assessed tax in the ballpark of $20,000. Difference? $5,000. That's how much guessing cost you. And that's a conservative number. I've seen people leave $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in additional taxes that they could have saved on their bill by delaying their bookkeeping. And even beyond the actual cost, the dollars that you're leaving on the table, think about the time investment. Let's say it takes you an hour a month, 12 months in the year, that's 12 hours a year. And this way you're doing bookkeeping in real time. It's fresh in your mind. There's less stress. Excellent. Now, on the flip side, if you're just doing it on an annual basis, you're sifting through 12 months of statements. You have 500 to 1,000 plus uncategorized transactions. By trying to do this all in one shot in March or April, it's going to take you more than 30 hours. And not only did it take you more time, you're still going to end up guessing on a lot of those transactions. So you spent 30 hours to produce inaccurate financial data, which you're giving to your accountant, and they're going to put on a tax return. That could cost you thousands. So here's the system that actually works. Step 1, if not done already, set up a bookkeeping software. We love QuickBooks Online. In our opinion, it's the cream of the crop, but you can find a cheap, cost-effective bookkeeping software that you can learn and use starting today. Once you get that set up, connect those bank accounts, those credit cards. Step 3, set up a reminder. Book a time once a month where, hey, you're going to sit down for 60 minutes and do your bookkeeping. Step 4, now each month, when those reminders come up, we're going to actually go ahead and do the bookkeeping. Assign those expenses to the proper categories. Hey, lunch with John Smith. Hey, met with potential client. That's what this meal was for. Add in any notes. A lot of bookkeeping softwares will allow you to attach memos or notes to transactions so you can help audit-proof those deductions in real time. Step 5, this is going to be an ongoing process, but save receipts. QuickBooks has this great feature where you get a specific email address with your QuickBooks account where you could send receipts to. So you take a picture and then you send it to this email, and now that receipt is uploaded to your QuickBooks, and now you could attach it to that expense. More audit-proof, baby. And that's it. All in all, on a monthly basis, should take you 60 minutes of total time. Then when it comes tax time, the new year comes, January 1st, open up your QuickBooks or your bookkeeping software, export a profit and loss, export a balance sheet, send it to your accountant. Done in 5 minutes. And now you've just given them a couple months to review your financials and for them to come back and ask you questions to see, hey, are there more deductions that we're entitled to? This can't happen if you're doing it once a year and you give them the profit and loss the day before you file your tax return. We want no stress, no guessing, no missed deductions, and no delays. So those are my recommended 5 steps. But if you need or want help getting your books cleaned up and setting up a system that's going to work, book a call with us. We help business owners do this every single day. You can find a link to book a call in the description below. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Please, if you liked the video, drop us a like and subscribe for more real world business tax advice. We'll see you on the next one.